Come chat with me. This is not your clickbait video. This is something that I've been thinking about as to why people in India in general have this perception towards fitness or exercising, that it is something that they're forced to do, something that they have to do, something that is an additional burden, not only on their bodies but on their pockets as well. Come to think of it, India as a nation, us Indians, we have never been brought up in a culture that supports movement, that is pro movement. We've never always been, encouraged to kind of exercise since we were very young, or to, be a part of sports when we are very young. You see a lot of Indians moving only because they have to, right? It's either because their work demands them to, or they have to do it for survival, or it's a chore that they are made to do. It's only in those cases that you generally see Indians moving, as opposed to when you travel abroad, you will see kids, adults, older generation, you can see everybody walking for their chores, cycling, moving around, playing sports, running, and enjoying all of these things while they are at it. I think this shift will come only when the newer generations that are to come, when we encourage them since a very young age to get into fitness, to get into movement, to get into sports, not because they have to, because that should really ideally just be a way of life, right? Like, just like you do other things. And plus, it is a lot of fun. It does release a lot of happy hormones. It does bring a lot of mental peace, a lot of physical independence. So it is something that should be encouraged to the newer generation at a very young age, as opposed to probably forcing it on them or enforcing it on them later on when they have not formed it as a habit since early childhood. Let me know your thoughts about it.